Number 9, we want to find the solution to the system of inequalities. So since they're inequalities, we know this is the shading type of problems. And what I'm looking for is the overlapping shading. So if we treat these as two separate problems to find the solutions for each of them, all we do is look for where is it a solution to both. That's what it means to be a solution to a system. Just find a solution to both, which is where it overlaps. So in order to do that, the best way to do this is put it into slope-intercept form first, at least my opinion. So I want to get y equals mx plus b. Moving this over to the other side to get the y by itself, I get negative 4/3 x. And then when I move that, it becomes a plus 1 is less than y. Now I like to have it where the y is on the left. That way we can just use the up or down method. But here we can see y is up since it's eating the y. But just so you can see it in the other form, I'll just switch it around. Same thing as y is greater than negative 4/3 x plus 1. So graphing this equation, let's figure out where this goes. I'll just put it on one of them. It doesn't matter which one. Y-intercept is 1. It's right there. And the slope is down 4/3, which should match up with this line since they're all the same line. And we see it goes through that point, which is a dotted line since there's no equal to. And I want the greater than sign. So greater than for y is the top of the y, not the bottom of the y, the top of the y. So on this side of the line, notice that, imagine this line splits the entire universe in half. I'm going to cover up the other side. Everything I'm not covering is what needs to be shaded. And I'll shade it in red. So obviously it's not this answer, but let's just go ahead and find the other one. So I have negative 2x plus 5y is less than negative 20. So again, let's put in slope-intercept form by getting the y by itself. So I'll move the 2x first. It's negative here, so it becomes a positive on the other side. Then I can divide by 5. And I get y is less than 2/5x and negative 4. So this one has a y-intercept of negative 4. And it's a rise over run of up 2/5, which again matches up with the other line. And this one is also less than. So if it's less than, then I want the bottom side, not the top side, the bottom side. And so ignoring the other stuff that I already shaded, I'm going to cover all the stuff that I don't want. I don't want the top of that line. I want the bottom. So everything on this side is what I want. And then what do I notice is this is only red. This is only blue. But this is red and blue. This is where it's a solution to this one and a solution to the other one. So this is the area I want shaded. So that area, as we can see through all these, is letter D.